So it was something that existed even before I had CFS, the impatience and the perfectionism, and breaking that down and accepting where I was at was a huge factor in my recovery because that patience applied to everything, really, in the program. Patience with myself to, the baseline and sticking to it and
Mm.
slowly, little by little becomes a lot, that whole mindset. And another one for me was sleep. I make sleep a priority now, and I didn't in the past. And I still feel a big difference when I get 8 or 9 hours versus like 6. So winding down at the end of the day and calming myself down was a big piece of it. And then the other thing was just, I guess, holding myself accountable to stopping the negative mindset and any negative thoughts that I had about where I was at or comparison and things like that. I put post-its up all over the walls in my bedroom and my bathroom, and I did a lot of affirmations, and that mindset shift really helped get me out of a lot of bad days.
Yeah, I remember you had a really, really bad day, and one of your wins, basically Lauren had a really, really bad day. And I remember her win was the fact that she just didn't spiral down and she actually spiraled up.
Yeah.
Like it was just like her mindset was just, oh, well, it's not the end of the world and I'll look after myself. I'll do everything that I know, nutrition, sleep, rest, and
Yeah.
I'll be okay. And so that was just a huge pivotal turning point for you, you know. But again, it's that same thing of just not buying into the narrative. We all have a
Mhm.
narrative. It's just, are you going to buy into it or not? You know, and is it serving you or not? Is it worth it?